Hello teacher, I'm going to share with you a highlight of my life. I want to tell you today I am 28 years old today. I am single because of this highlight days I like becomes accustomed to lot lines and they it already I enjoy high. I am from the city of Bucaramanga. I would like at the municipality of Puerto Asís, department of Putumayo. My family is understood by my mother and my brother, although I love they there I and the city Bucaramanga. I working in the quality art of a food company. I love food and I like they I am. I die right please. The sport day and practice is the gym and I am that every time and can. I want to tell you that I want to beautiful place the Halloween my to be why my inner vein and feel very calm and serene. I also today and share it with two beautiful families of monkeys. They come to greet me this gain a piece of me and teeth was better than and could see pass of this vacation. Uh, Also take the opportunity to they did in the poll and went from the worries of everyday life size. This place has a humid tropical climate. At the day when there was good sun making natural and all its splendor. This beautiful place as pedestrian paths for people to well of the day and there are notice about not throwing garbage outside the size Halloween. It do be a very natural place. I saw Goose Day is they good to confirm on day of the camping so they can stay for several days. It is such a cute place they can be used for spiritual retreats for yoga if realize the place as restaurants, bars, swimming pools, making a very comfortably. I hope you enjoy my try experience. Thank you. Bye.